good. Nice and blades nice and close to the water, sir. That's good. It's a catch. Right up and in. Nice and long. You guys are doing nice. Let's build it to 3/4 pressure in 2. 3/4 on this one. Give it a nice send now. Send. Send. That's it. Send. That's it. Yeah. All the way through the release, Tina. That's better. Send. Use your arm. Pull it through. Tina, longer. Tina, you're finishing way out in front of your body. That's better. Get your catch way out there, Tina. And